Good day, we are here to tackle about the black and white print making using contact printer and photo enlarger. First, the contact printer. Step 1. Prepare the materials. Prepare the necessary materials including the darkroom, chemicals, contact printer, and enlarger for contact printing. Step 2. Using of contact printer. Place a multi-grade photographic paper on the board. Then position the negative on top of the paper and then close the glass over the negatives. Step 3. Filter and enlarger process. Insert a grade 2 filter into a larger filter holder. Step 4. Enlarger timer. Set the enlarger timer to provide the proper exposure for the paper. The sheet shall be then transferred to your chemical trace and slid. Step 5. Using of chemical. For the developing process, agitate the sheet and insert into the tray for 60 seconds at 1+9. Then watch the image appear after 60 seconds. Move it into the bath for the 10 seconds at 1+99 equals transfer into the fixing procedure for 30 seconds at 1+4 in fresh solution for final paste. Step 6. Washing of the final film. Rinse with running water to remove any leftover chemicals. Step 7. Evaluate the print. Depending on the exposure it's received in the camera, some of the frames will be lighter while the others will be darker. Next one is the photo enlarger. Step 1. Prepare the equipment. Prepare the items needed for the photo enlarger, such as darkroom chemicals and enlarger. Step 2. Using of tray and chemicals. Pour the chemicals mixture for the developing, stop bath, and fixing process into each tray. Step 3. Placing of negatives. Choose the negative you wish to enlarger and place into negative carrier. To clear dust, use buffer brush and insert carrier into enlarger. Step 4. Focusing process. Turn on the safe light and turn off the light in the room. Then activate the enlarger. Also, for the best sharpness, use a focus finder. Step 5. Setting the aperture. Aperture shall set a f8. Insert a grade 2 filter into enlarger filter holder. Step 6. Test print time. Place a multi-grade piece of paper on the easel. Set the timer to increase by the 5 seconds. Repeat until the all papers have been revealed. Then take your sheets to your chemical trays. Step 7. Chemicals. For the developing process, slide it for 60 seconds. Stop the bath process and slide for the 10 seconds. Finally, in a fresh solution, the fixing process should only take 30 seconds. Step 8. Rinse and select. Rinse with running water to remove any remaining chemicals and then choose the correct exposure time from your test print. Step 9. Final print. Assuring that the room is well lit, place a multi-grade piece of paper on the easel. Set the timer to the appropriate exposure time. Then take your sheet to your chemical trays. Step 10. Developer, stop bath, and fixer process. Repeat the processing step taken previously. Developing process 60 seconds. Stop bath process 10 seconds. Fixing process 30 seconds. Step 11. Wash and dry. Wash and dry the final print running water for 2 minutes. To remove the chemicals, you have now complete your final print.